Harvest is waiting. The crops need planted. Weeds keep growing. And somehow you're losing ground. Most growers think this happens because you're busy. Usually that is not the whole problem. And the worst part is most growers don't even realize where the problem actually started, because most farm problems start several steps before you notice them. A missed harvest usually is not a harvest problem. An oversized transplant usually isn't a transplant problem. A missed planting usually isn't a planting problem. The visual problem is usually the result, not the cause. The mistake happened upstream. Somewhere in the workflow here, something that should have happened earlier did not. And now everything downstream from that is reacting to it. This is where SOPs get misunderstood. People think they are paperwork. They are not. There's simply a way to make sure things happen in the right order every time. Every harvest starts long before harvest day. First, seeds get planted, then it gets transplanted, then managed, then harvested. Every step depended on the previous step. When just one step slips, everything downstream slips. The harvests get harder, the workload gets bigger, and most importantly, the stress greatly increases. Here's an example of one of the most commonly used SOPs we have on our farm. Everything that comes out of the field is either counted or weighed. A tag is then affixed, showing where it came from, when, how much, and where. Next, all of that relevant information is recorded into a tablet for our records. And finally, the tote is taken and placed in our walk-in cooler on the right side for post-harvest processing after it is cooled. None of these steps are difficult. The true value is that each of these steps happen in the exact same order every single time. Production farms aren't trying to remember everything. They're creating systems that make the next step obvious. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is reducing missteps. You don't need to be a market gardener for this to matter. Backyard gardeners deal with the same exact thing. The scale, of course, changes, but the underlying principles do not. Good growers don't remember more. They rely on better systems. That's what keeps them ahead. If you want the full framework behind how these systems connect together, that is exactly what I teach at Growers Blueprint. Most growers think trellising is all about support. Next week, I'll show you why it actually affects harvest speed, labor, and most importantly, production. And after harvesting 2 cucumber systems side by side, the difference is bigger than most realize. And for all of you that stuck around to the end here, got an important announcement I made a couple weeks ago. If you'd like to see your farm's logo on my hat, reach out through growersblueprint.com, click on the support tab, get a hold of me, I'll be in contact. The final thing is, all of our content is released Saturday, 11 a.m., so be sure to check it out as soon as it comes out. And as always, thank y'all for watching, keep farming, and have a good day.